Good morning, children. Today we will learn about the new chapter, that is chapter number 13, that is green and clean earth. Okay. Now see here the earth. Earth, it is our home to plants, animals and human beings. Not only that, living things, so many non-living things, they all found on the earth. If we are saying about the living things, plants, animals, birds, they will come. And in the non-living things such as air, water, mountains, soil, rocks and clouds, all these are the non-living things. All these found on our earth, right? Now the next thing is main one, that is the what are the importance of trees. Okay. The trees, they are useful to us in many ways. They give us oxygen. See, the plants through the process of photosynthesis, they absorb the impure carbon dioxide from the air, and then they prepare the food. After that, they are releasing the oxygen. So that will be the pure air. Then so that we are getting oxygen from the plants for breathing. Then they gives us fruits. So many fruits like apple, strawberry, orange, banana, grapes, or mango. See, these fruits, they gives us vitamins and minerals, right? They are we can say protective food. Then they gives us vegetables. So many vegetables they give us, like cabbage, brinjal, broccoli, capsicum, coriander, beetroot, all these vegetables they give us, right? These vegetables, through the vegetables also we get the vitamins and minerals, so they protect us from diseases. They gives us cereals like we can say wheat, pulses, different kinds of pulses, then rice. They are, these all are the cereals. Okay. Maize, these from these cereals we get the fiber as well as the carbohydrates, right? Next, they gives us medicines. See, from so many fruits and the bark of the trees and its seeds, then roots, from all those all the parts of the plants. Some of them are the very medicinal plants, right? So they help us. They give us so many medicines. We will grind them. First, we will take out these parts from the plants. Then we will dry them. After the grind them and use it. Some of the plants leaves itself, we will take the extract directly from that and use it. Some of them we will dry it and use it. So they is mainly these medicines for the Ayurvedic treatment they are using. Okay, so the trees give us a number of medicines. Okay, from these only afterwards extracted in the form of powder and giving in the allopathy medicines also, in the form of tablets also nowadays they used to give. Then they give us wood. Wood actually would help for making the furnitures. Furnitures are required for the home, right? So this wood, only wood, the trees give us wood. From the wood we make different articles. Okay. Not only that, from the wood we can make the boats. Okay. Boats means for sailing in the water they used. Okay, and then making the houses, for that also they used. Then rubber, they gives rubber. See, this is the rubber tree. Okay, from this, the bark of the rubber tree, day by day the people come and cut a layer on this. Then when they cut that time, from this the rubber tree, so the bark ooze out a white color liquid. that is the latex, okay, which will be later used. That means they will be collected afterwards, keeping in the tray, and then drying it. Then in the machines they will give the shapes, and these all are the rubber products. See, these are the toys, rubber toys. The children like to play with these toys, and these are the rubber bands for packing the things. And not only those um, mm, big plaited hairs, they also use this. And these are the baskets, rubber baskets for carrying the sand or something else, for the laborers. In the construction area places you can see these kinds of rubber baskets. And this one, see, this is actually the rubber only, that is the outer case of the electrical wires. From inside the electrical wires are going, right, copper wires, and then outside what given, that act as an insulation, so it protects us from the electric shock. Then here you can see the rubber fillers, okay, like this medicines, taking the medicines, or for the filling the ink in the ink pen. For these also, these are rubber fillers use. And here see, these are the rubber gloves. So during the rainy season it will protect us from the rain, they are waterproof. And here you can see the gum boots, these all made from the rubber. So not only these things, some more other things also we can make from the rubber trees, okay. So these all are the we are getting from the rubber trees. So I hope you all understood this one, right? And this when we are saying the root of the plants, they hold the soil also and prevent it from getting washed away by wind or water. And nowadays, the humans are cutting the trees to create more land for increasing the population. As the population increases, there will be more demand. If more demands means, then area will, they need houses, right? For that, the forest area only people used to cut. Then removing the forest from those areas and making the land. And that means the trees are being cut to meet the demands of increasing population, and that cutting down of the trees in large numbers is known as deforestation. As a result of deforestation, what happens? We are losing the forest, as well as the animals, those who live inside the forest. Deep forest, the wild animals live, right? So they can hide there, and if losing the thickness of the forest decreases, then what happens? These wild animals cannot live properly there. They used to scare others, so they can't breed themselves, and they can't produce their own babies, so that these wildlife also decreasing. These only importance of trees. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.